Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to add a Telegram sticker to your photo. Adding stickers to your photos can bring a touch of creativity and fun. Let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to a chat where you want to add the sticker to your photo. Tap on the paperclip icon located at the bottom left corner of the chat window. Step 3. In the attachment menu, select the option to pick a photo from your gallery. Choose the picture you want to add the sticker to and tap on it. Once selected, tap on the brush icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. A bottom drawer will appear with various editing options. Tap on Stickers to access the sticker options. From there, scroll up and down until you find the perfect sticker for your photo. Explore different categories and collections to find the sticker that matches your desired style. Step 5. Once you've found the sticker you want to add, simply tap on it to place it on your photo. You can adjust the size of the sticker by pinching it with your fingers. Position it wherever you like on the photo to achieve the desired effect. With these simple steps, you can easily add a Telegram sticker to your photo, allowing you to personalize and enhance your images. Thank you for watching, and enjoy adding creativity to your Telegram photos with stickers.